Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which edition you use and opening the launcher. This matters because paths differ. Once done, find the current Minecraft folder. On Windows, type %appdata%\. Minecraft for Java or check Windows apps for Bedrock. Make a full backup of saves, resource packs, and settings to an external drive or cloud. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. You're ready to move files and change configuration. Proceed only after backups complete and the game is fully closed. Now you copy the backed up Minecraft folder to the target drive, preserving file permissions and folder structure. Drag and drop or Xcopy works fine. Next, update the launcher's game directory setting for Java or reinstall Bedrock to the new location if needed. If the launcher insists on the old path, create a junction or symbolic link pointing from the original location to the new one. This fools the system while keeping files moved. Make sure to test by launching once to verify resource packs and worlds load properly. Finally, launch Minecraft and play for a few minutes to confirm worlds, mods, and resource packs are functioning. If you encounter crashes or missing assets, inspect launcher logs and restore from your backup if necessary. Revert the link and try again. Make sure file and folder permissions allow your user account full access. If you see access denied errors, run a disk check or reset permissions on the target drive. This single troubleshooting step often clears stubborn permission or corruption issues and gets you back into the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.